That was pointless. It's just water. It's just a little bit of water. It's just a little water. Keep going. They didn't mean to do that on purpose.
Serious?
He just ran through a stop sign. There it is. Exactly. Exactly. Okay, so this is the situation. We're riding around town. We're having a good time. You know, we're about to get home. We're not speeding. We have good line position. See how we have great vision. We're able to see really well. So let's move forward just a little bit right here. Okay, so now his major concern. So now we have an anxiety going on. So we're in orange stage right now. We were in yellow stage, being able to see really well. Now we're in orange stage. We're pretty concerned. Okay, there's water. I don't know how deep it is. I don't know if I'm gonna get soaked. I don't know if I'm gonna hydroplane. I don't know if I'm gonna dump the bike. We have traffic going. Scary, 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 scary. Here's the situation here. Okay, so you notice how there's cars going through it. Okay, if you can look at the car tire, how high is it going up on the car tire? You know, is it basically submerging the car? Probably not. So if that's the case, maybe just lift your feet up a little bit, go through it nice and smooth. Don't accelerate hard, don't brake hard. Go through it at a reasonable speed. So about right here, what I'd be doing is maybe rolling off the throttle a little bit just so I can have a better space cushion, more of a runoff if I decide to accelerate. So I'm not up on this guy's butt and having to stop if he decides to stop. So I'm going to go ahead and go forward just a little bit more. So from here, it's like I can tell what's really happening. He actually did that. He slowed down. You notice how he's going 18 versus 32, 36 earlier. So right here, now my only concern is really just to get across. Now, if I get soaked and wet, that's fine. Whatever. Not a big deal. It's probably going to happen anyways because of all this water, probably because it was raining earlier. So that part right there, absolutely not on purpose. It's not on purpose. I don't want you guys thinking that this was on purpose. But the reaction of it is getting pissed because you are at a heightened sense. You're in that orange stage. You're worried. You're like, okay, I can't take another thing coming at me. And that is a natural human response. So have that response. Go ahead. You're allowed to have that response of being upset. But the thing is, don't take it out on somebody. Be aware and have this realization, I am being upset because of something. I will not put myself in further danger because I'm upset. And that's a very difficult thing for a lot of people to do, including me. Trust me, I struggle with it every single day with my anxiety and depression. So just be very cognizant of what's happening here. Okay, so now we made it through. That is the biggest concern. We made it through. Don't worry about the other drivers at this point. Okay, so I'm assuming that means stop. You see that it says like a stop sign up there. It looks like a stop sign. I'm unsure of the road rules. I don't see a line saying that you have to stop, so I don't understand that. But the thing is, just go on with your day. Now we have a new situation. We're still in orange stage. We can't just be like, okay, bad hazard back there. I solved that hazard. I'm going to be only focusing on the hazard I already passed. Let's focus on the hazard in front of us, okay? So we're moving forward right here. So right here, then I decided to let it go. Maybe she didn't see me. Great response. Very quick with that response. Typically, people will get angry, punch mirrors, put themselves in worse danger because they just feel the need to share their frustrations with another driver, which is what happened earlier in the stream with that car driver coming to this motorcyclist and sharing the frustrations with the motorcyclist. But motorcyclists do it too. So this is where we just need to come together and have a better community when it comes to motorcycling. And I really hope the crew will do right here. I decided to let it go because you do not want to put yourself in a dangerous situation. Be responsible for your own safety.